Welcome to AutoResolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the FACEIT anti-cheat solid NVM for Bladen driver error.
Fix 1. Restart your PC. Step 1. Close all games and applications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Step 3. Launch FACEIT and check if the error persists. Fix 2. Update Windows. Step 1. Press Win plus I. Go to Windows Update. Step 2. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Step 3. Restart PC and try FACEIT again. Fix 3. Remove conflicting drivers. Step 1. Press Win plus X, select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand storage controllers / disk drives. Step 3. Right-click any suspicious or unknown drivers, like solid uninstall device. Step 4. Restart PC and launch FACEIT. Fix 4. Run FACEIT as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the FACEIT client, select Run as administrator. Step 2. Try launching your game again.